Hello mathematicians, it is Ms. Hoka again, and today we are going to continue to review word problems with rounding. But before we start, I want to review with you the cubes strategy, which is a problem-solving strategy. So remember, the C in cubes stands for circling the key numbers in units. The U in cubes stands for underlining the question. B is to box math action words. E is to evaluate and eliminate. And remember, in second grade word problems, there really isn't going to be a lot of things to eliminate, so you're really just going to evaluate the problem. And the S is to show your work and check. Okay, so I'm going to read you the word problem, and then I'm going to use cubes to solve it. So the word problem is 262 second graders rode the bus to school on Tuesday. 59 more students rode the bus on Wednesday than on Tuesday. How many students rode the bus both days? Round to the nearest 10. So the first thing I need to do is to go back and look for numbers in units. So I saw 262, and remember, numbers can be in word form and they can also be in standard form. So I'm going to circle this number, 262. I'm also going to circle 59 because I see 59 more students rode the bus on Wednesday. So I'm going to circle 59. Next, I need to underline the question. So I saw the question down here and it says, how many students rode the bus both days? So I'm going to underline that. Okay, next I need to put a box around the action words. So I see 59 more students, and I know when I see the word more, then it's telling me I need to add. So more students rode the bus on Wednesday than on Tuesday. How many students rode the bus both days? So I'm going to put a box around both days because that's telling me I need to add both numbers because we're finding out how many students rode the bus both days. And I'm also going to put a box around round, and I'm going to put a box around nearest 10 because this is telling me I'm going to have to round these numbers to the nearest 10 before I can solve them. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to round each of these numbers to the nearest 10. So now I'm going to show my work and check my answer. So I know 59 is going to round to 60. So if I'm rounding to the nearest 10, I need to look in the ones place. And I see a 9 in the ones place, so that tells me I need to round up because it is 5 or more. So 59 is going to become 60. Okay? And then the other number in this problem was 262. And if I'm rounding that to the nearest 10, I need to look at the ones place to see if that is 5 or more. But it is a 2, so that is 4 or less, which means let it rest or to round down. So I know 262 is going to round down to 260. So what I'm going to do now is I need to solve my problem. So I have 60 and I have 260. And I remember that I found the word more and both days. So I know I need to add both days together to get the answer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 60 plus 260 to find my answer. So I know 0 plus 0 equals 0. 6 plus 6, that's a double. So I know the 6 plus 6 equals 12. So I'm going to write the 2 in the tens place and carry over a 1 to the hundreds place. And I know 100 plus 200 equals 300. So the answer I got was 320. So I'm going to write 320 students. And this is my final answer. And I'm just going to put a box around it so I know that this is my final answer. So what you're going to do now is you're going to swipe to the next page and complete the activity. I'll see you guys next week.